Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another marketing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add more action buttons to your Instagram profile. Like you can see, I already have an action button called email on my profile. Instagram has allowed us to have 3 of these buttons so far, which was email, call, or address. But now you can add more options. Firstly, let's make sure that you have a business profile because this option is only available for business profiles on Instagram. To make a business profile, you can click on the settings button here, right beside edit profile. And if you don't have a business account, you will see something like switch to business account here. And you will need a Facebook page connected with your Instagram account to make a business profile. But once you have a business profile, you'll be able to add these options, and to do that you will have to go to edit profile, which is right here. Once you're editing the profile, you will see something called contact options under business information. Click on that. So currently I can add email ID, phone number and address, which will start showing up on my profile. The other option now available to me is something called add action button. If you don't see it, Instagram has just started rolling it out, so there's a possibility that it hasn't reached you yet. But once it does, you'll see this button called add an action button. And once you're here, there is a whole lot of action buttons that you can add. These are basically integrations with third-party sites. You can see the name of these third-party platforms right here, like Yelp, 7rooms, OpenTables, Grubhub, and so on. So the action button is going to be called book or buy tickets or start order, get tickets. So let me quickly add an Eventbrite get tickets call to action. Click on next and you will need an URL of your Eventbrite event. So I'll paste the URL here. Click on done. And that's it. The action button has gotten added. Now if I go back to my profile, you will see an option called get tickets, and when anyone clicks here, the Eventbrite page opens where they can directly start buying the ticket. It's as simple as this. Go ahead and explore all the options available there and see what works for you, and this is a great way to get more conversions from your Instagram profile.
And that's about it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to teach you something new and add value to you. If I did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment and let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more marketing content. If you're looking to have a one-on-one session with me, the best way to reach me is through Instagram. The link is right here. Thank you.